GTR owners already know that there's not really any place for you to put your phone. And I'm not a big fan of using the vent mounts myself, and definitely not wanting to stick anything onto the dash. So this appears to be a promising solution, at least the best one that I could find. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if it's as good as it claims to be, because I've already tried several other alternatives and I found nothing promising so far. Okay. Placing that right there. Let's go ahead and remove these. Make sure that this is pointed up. All right, I'm gonna insert it like so. Okay. Just like that. I'm gonna keep it around right there. That seems like a perfect spot for it. All right, now we can go ahead and remove that. Let's take a look at that. She does feel pretty sturdy. And this is specifically designed for this mount. If you do buy one of these ProClip mounts, you do have to also buy a mounting bracket. Let's go ahead, take this off right there, place it in. I like that. It's definitely got a lot of bulk on it, but this thing just sticks out. So far I'm not loving it. You're mainly buying the custom mount that comes for it. This did also come with some cable management equipment as well, which I think, again, like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be to manage the radar detector cable just a little better. So this is the end result, almost. And so far, I actually kind of like it. It's a pretty good spot to mount your phone. So most new iPhones do come with a MagSafe on the back, which is a pretty secure mounting method. It's the same thing that I have going on in my BMW. It hasn't failed me at all, except for its stick. So sometimes I'll go in the 5th gear and punch my phone off like that. Now, it does only come with USB-C, which is a sign of the changing times, because my radar detector, which is the Uniden R9, it only comes with a USB-A adapter. Thankfully, they do include this, which has dual USB-C ports, but then I had to mount it like so, and then Nissan right here decided to just have a cable route go through just the driver's side, like so. Plug that into there, and center console shuts fine. Even gives you a little spot to route through the hole, which is pretty neat in my opinion. That's it. Let's go ahead. X-band. And we're charging. K-band. K-A-band. All the adhesive here is designed so that it doesn't leave any residue or mess up the dash whatsoever. The end result actually looks significantly better than how it did before. Still leaves a lot to be desired, like this cable dangling. That is a-okay. That way passenger can't tug on the wire or anything like that. That amount of slack should be just fine. That's manageable. Okay, that's everything. Let's go ahead and take this out on a little drive. As we can see, it holds up pretty well to poles and around the corners. I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so this footage that I'm filming right now is after about a week's worth of driving, and I can tell you that I've taken it around corners. That magnet mount works pretty dang well for iPhones. Not sure about Android owners, but that MagSafe, undefeated. Anyways, I hope you found this video useful, because I spent a lot of time trying to find the best mounting solution for these GTRs, or a place to put my phone. I'm pretty satisfied with this one. I'm gonna be going ahead and holding on to this. And you already know what to do. Go ahead, drop a like, comment, subscribe, especially if you found the video helpful. And until next time.